Salmon is one of the most popular types of fish to cook and enjoy at home. It's high in omega-3 fatty acids, low in calories and fat, and has a medium texture and mild flavor profile that pairs well with many different ingredients and cuisines. With its pink-orange flesh, salmon can be dressed up for company or mass-produced for meal prep. Here are some of the best methods for cooking salmon. Baked salmon. Baking is one of the simplest and healthiest ways to prepare salmon. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper or foil for easy cleanup. Season fillets lightly with salt and pepper or favorite herbs and spices. Arrange skinned side down and bake 8-12 minutes until texture is flaky. Check periodically for desired doneness. 125 degrees Fahrenheit is perfectly cooked. Enjoy on its own or with favorite sides. Pasta sauce salmon. For a quick weeknight meal, broil salmon atop pasta sauce. Spread jarred marinara sauce in an oven-safe baking dish and top with salmon fillets. Cover fillets fully so sauce doesn't burn. Broil 5 minutes or until salmon is opaque and flakes easily. Serve salmon fillets over cooked pasta or rice for a complete dish the whole family will enjoy. Sauce adds extra flavor. Salmon with lemon butter. To brighten salmon's taste, broil it topped with lemon butter. Position oven rack 6 inches from heat source and preheat broiler. Place salmon fillets skin side down on a foil-lined baking sheet. In a small bowl, mix 4 tablespoons softened butter with 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice and zest of 1/2 lemon. Season the butter with garlic powder, dill, salt and pepper. Top fillets with butter mixture and broil 5-8 minutes until salmon is flaky. Teriyaki salmon. For an Asian-inspired entree, brush salmon fillets with teriyaki sauce before cooking. Whisk 1/3 cup soy sauce, 1/3 cup rice vinegar, 1/4 cup brown sugar and 2 minced garlic cloves in a small saucepan. Simmer 2 minutes until slightly thickened. Brush sauce over fillets and broil for 5-7 minutes until golden and flaky. Also delicious baked or grilled. Serve over rice with stir-fried veggies. Poached salmon. Gently cooking salmon in simmering liquid results in ultra-moist fillets. Fill a skillet just large enough to hold fillets snugly with an inch of water or broth. Add lemon slices, dill, garlic and red pepper flakes. Bring just to a simmer, then add fillets skin side down. Simmer 5-8 minutes until opaque and flakes easily. Use slotted spoon to remove fillets. Serve with vegetables or over grain pilafs. Salmon cakes. Leftover poached or baked salmon is a great base for cakes. Flake salmon into a bowl and mix with mayonnaise or Greek yogurt, Dijon mustard, herbs, salt and pepper. Form into balls or cakes, then coat in flour, egg wash and panko breadcrumbs. Sauté in oil until crispy and cooked through. Top with a squeeze of lemon or favorite sauce. Pair with rice and veggies. Grilled salmon. Grilling salmon adds a touch of smoky flavor. Brush fillets with olive oil and seasonings. Grill skin side down 5 minutes, then carefully flip with spatula and cook 3 more minutes for medium doneness. Monitor closely to avoid drying out. Brush or baste with barbecue sauce. Also try grilling foil packet meals of salmon and fresh vegetables for a complete one-pan dish. Blackened salmon. For a Cajun-style meal, blacken salmon fillets on the stovetop before serving. Make a spice rub by mixing 1 teaspoon each paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, dried thyme and 1/2 teaspoon each salt and black pepper. Generously coat fillets on both sides. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a skillet over medium-high. Add fillets spice side down and cook undisturbed 2-3 minutes until spice is dark and crusty. Carefully flip and cook 1-2 more minutes. Salmon cheese spread. Instead of cooking the salmon, mash it into an easy party appetizer. Drain canned or leftover cooked salmon, reserving 1-2 tablespoons liquid. Flake salmon into a bowl and add reserved liquid, 2 ounces cream cheese, a squirt of lemon and chopped herbs or Dijon. Season with salt and pepper. Chill and serve with crackers or veggies for dipping. Customize with your favorite mix-ins like chives, dill, capers or diced onion. Make salmon salad. Chunky salmon salad is perfect for packing. Gently mix shredded fresh or canned salmon with mayo, Greek yogurt or sour cream. Diced veggies like celery, red onion, roasted red pepper, and diced hard-boiled eggs. Season to taste with lemon juice, Old Bay seasoning or your preferred spice blend. Serve over greens, sandwich on bread or stuff into tomatoes. Salmon variety. Most markets carry salmon in these varieties. Atlantic salmon, farmed, mild versatile fillets perfect for any method. Coho salmon, wild Pacific fish with pink flesh. Great for grilling or steaming. King salmon, Chinook rich, buttery wild Alaskan salmon perfect seared or smoked. Sockeye salmon, bright red wild Pacific salmon with firm texture and full flavor. Pink salmon, smaller fillets of mild wild Pacific salmon perfect baked or fried. Whether cooking salmon fillets whole or incorporating into favorite recipes, its versatility makes it a healthy protein staple for any home cook. Just be careful not to overcook the flaky fish.